I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup restaurant style, easy method. Begin by prepping 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 3 cloves garlic, and 3 potatoes, all diced evenly. Preheat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large pot over medium heat and have 6 cups vegetable stock ready so you can move straight into sautéing without delays. Sauté the onion, garlic, and celery until soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes, then add carrots and potatoes. Stir and let brown slightly to develop flavor. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon dried thyme, toast for 30 seconds, then pour in 1 cup of stock to deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits so the base tastes rich and layered, like a restaurant soup. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple restaurant-style recipes. Quick recommendation: I love Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car vibe, perfect after grocery runs or farmers market trips. Grab one to keep your ride smelling great. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Add the remaining 5 cups of vegetable stock, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes until vegetables are tender but not mushy. Taste and season with salt, black pepper, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten the broth. Stir in chopped parsley or basil, and finish with a drizzle of olive oil for silkiness so each spoonful feels balanced and comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.